How to change Apple ID password. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Apple ID password in iPhone iOS 18. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open your App Store. Once you do so, you're going to click on your profile at the top right. And then you're going to click on your Apple account here at the top. After that, it will verify using your Face ID and you'll be able to see something like this. So you're going to click on your Apple account once again and it will redirect you to account.apple.com. So you're going to click on this arrow here at the top right and you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on sign in. And then you'll be taken over to another interface. So what you got to do is simply click on sign in and it will verify using either your Face ID or your phone's passcode because you have that Apple ID already active on your phone. Then you'll be taken over to the account information of your Apple account. You'll be able to see this option that says password. So you're going to simply click on password. And once you do so, you'll be able to see something like this that will say change your password. Type in your current password, your new password, and then confirm new password, and then simply head over and click on confirm. So that is basically how you can change Apple ID password in iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.